This project is a boat ramp project. This boat ramp is in Tomales Bay, California, just north of San Francisco. They use Sheetpile, steel Sheetpile, instead of an AquaDam. Now they've called for an AquaDam to help support the Sheetpiling because they couldn't pound it in far enough, and they're afraid the bottom of it's going to come out with the high tides. So that's why I'm here, is to reinforce the bottom of the Sheetpile. Of course, I had nothing to do with the Sheetpiling. Water will just come around the end of the Sheetpiling here at high tide. We're going to install an AquaDam right down along here, this Sheetpiling, to help support the Sheetpiling. This is a 6-foot high by 74-foot long AquaDam. It was delivered in this Toyota pickup. Each inside tube has 4 fill hoses that were ordered with the AquaDam. A rope is tied to each corner, approximately 20 feet long. The rope will have to go up and over the Sheetpiling back to the bank and tied off on a rock or to the Sheetpiling to hold the end of the AquaDam up. Alright, we had the duct tape around the end of the AquaDam, laid out the fill tubes, and we're ready to push the AquaDam into the water. Another rope is put around the end of the fill tubes.
So yeah, we're probably just going to get it so that it stays.
Of course, the AquaDam floats, and we'll float it over into the where we want to set up and start pumping. So we've tied the AquaDam, the end of it, up to the Sheetpiling, and we've started our pumps. The pumps and the water being put inside the AquaDam is slowly enrolling the AquaDam. We use this lift-all to cross this little barrier of water right here. The hoses are going over the lift-all and down into the AquaDam. We're trying to move the AquaDam over next to the outer wall, because that's what the AquaDam's here to support. It's almost up against the wall. Finally got the AquaDam up against the Sheetpiling, and the pumps are running, and we're filling her up. You have to hold the AquaDam there until it gets a head on it so it doesn't move away from the Sheetpiling. AquaDam's going to be right up against the Sheetpiling. 15 minutes later. Still keeping pressure on the AquaDam to make sure it stays against the wall. We filled the outside tube first. It's 15 minutes later, now the AquaDam's starting to take shape. Right up against the wall, that's what we wanted. Keep the steel piling from coming in. Here, this big timber's got to come off. There you go, right there. We'll just leave a little pressure on the side of the AquaDam so it doesn't get away from this wall. Looking good. Looking at the start, fill tubes up and over the top of the sheet piling. We're pumping the water out between the AquaDam and the sheet pile wall. That'll suck the AquaDam closer to the wall. The AquaDam's been installed.
Not doing tonight.
So do you guys work with Ford a lot?
No, this is our first job ever with them.
Oh, really?
It'll be my last with them.